What's up guys, in today's video we're working on the G35. We got a ceramic coating from Chemical Guys and it's the HYDROSLICK. We're gonna install this ceramic coating, HyperWax, and I'll give you guys an honest review on how easy it is to put on. So overall, I just wanna know what the experience is like using this stuff, the reliability, long-term use that you have with this. I do believe that this is better than wax, so if you guys are using wax, I would recommend trying this out. It should last a little longer than wax. Wax usually lasts for me, and depending on what type I use, it usually lasts me a couple weeks at most. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do and what I've done so far to the car, because I have paint corrected it, so it should be ready to go. So what I bought from Detail Garage, applicator pad, foam applicator pad is what you'll need to apply it. They recommended me just getting some better microfiber towel since it is a little harder. I've seen in reviews it is a little hard to take off, so you don't want to leave it on too long. And that's kind of it for applying. So let me show you guys what I've done. So as you guys can see here, I got a dual action polisher. It's a Torx 10, I believe. I'm not too sure on the name. Use V36, use V38. You know, made sure I really got it prepped up because ceramic coating, I just want it to look this way for a good while. So I went around the whole car, polished it all, made sure I got all the defects. I did clay bar as well. Clay bar is recommended. The car looks just amazing right now. Now we're all ready. I got my HYDROSLICK right here. I have a microfiber pad that we're going to be putting the material into. So it says on the instructions to put 4 to 5 dabs of product. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did the front hood, and let me tell you guys, it was hard. One thing is that less is more when it comes to HYDROSLICK. Also figured that 2 minutes is way too long and you should buff it off probably in a minute. I've already done 1 minute and 30 seconds and it's actually really hard, and that's also because I'm using a lot of product. It does have a good gloss effect. It just isn't as crazy as you would think it is. I'm gonna do a time lapse of the whole car and I'll give my final conclusion at the end of the video. After a couple hours, which was actually really tedious work, here is the car. It is done, fully ceramic coated everywhere besides the roof. I am not worrying about the roof, but look at the way it came out. I am pretty impressed. It really gave the paint a definite gloss that it didn't have before. It came out really, really, really good. It makes even the taillights pop, which is really nice. So I'm gonna tell you guys the pros and cons of HYDROSLICK and if you should buy it or not. Number one, it is hard to take off. When they say in the reviews that I've seen that it's hard to take off, I thought it was like, surely it's just another 1-2 wipes that you need to do. It's more than that for sure. It's probably like more than 10 wipes, harder wipes that you need to do. So not only was it hard to take off, but it also was more time consuming having to take it off. So the question is, would I recommend this to you guys watching this video? And it is a yes and a no. It's a no on people that don't know how to use ceramic coating or are fairly new to detailing. This would not be beneficial to you, mainly because you probably might leave some ceramic coating on the car without even noticing. And then I say yes, because if you are a little more experienced, you've done the research for ceramic coating, you've seen what's on the market, if you're interested in this product and you wanted to pick this up, I would fully recommend it just to give it a shot. It is a lot of product, so you will be able to do a couple ceramic coatings to your car. And I paid, I think, 40 bucks for it, so it's not that expensive, but there are cheaper alternatives. If you guys are looking for cheaper alternatives, honestly, go to Walmart. You'll be able to find cheap alternatives. You'll be able to find Meguiar's, and you'll be able to find Turtle Wax, I believe, and they have some pretty good hybrid wax ceramic coatings for like 10 bucks. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I was trying to make this a very informative video because I do know there's a lot of questions for HYDROSLICK. I even had my questions for HYDROSLICK, and using the product actually helped helped me understand what people talk about. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here. We will be having more mods to the G. Since you made it to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek, and this is the sneak peek. And no, they are not Koenig. I just got them in this box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.